Family Events presents the 5th Family Break. A unique themed holiday experience, the perfect location to relax and unwind with your family in the outstanding 4-star Vere Estate, located in 250 acres of tranquil parkland in the royal countryside of Berkshire. Bring your family and friends for a family breakaway at this exquisite hotel venue. Take advantage of its amazing facilities with elegant rooms and mouth-watering signature dishes. Award-winning restaurants. Go for walks with your family by the lake, surrounded by beautiful gardens and wholesome activities. Not just for the kids, but for the parents and adults too. From archery, golf, drive range, swimming, health and beauty, cricket, orienteering, football, zorbing, gladiator, last man standing, and so much more. Experience this amazing family break and prepare for the month of Ramadan. Through the timeless lessons of the Qur'an, maximize your Ramadan with your family by learning, growing and developing together in this beautiful and luxurious retreat. Book now on familybreak.org or call us on 0203 743 8484. Limited spaces.